Hello, and welcome to the Cerberus PRO Tools e-learning module. This lesson tells you all about the available tools for Cerberus PRO. It is based on Introduction Package 7 and covers the functions and components of the international version. In this lesson, we will introduce you to the tools we provide for Cerberus PRO. Spec Writer is a tool for all planners and architects. The online tool quickly and easily produces a system description for a complete fire protection system. A wizard assists the user in selecting requirements and functions. You can create a product-neutral, detailed specification for a complete fire protection system in Microsoft Word format at the touch of a button. You can then adapt or add to it in Microsoft Word. Spec Writer is very easy to operate and can be easily localized and translated. It provides the right system description from the very start. Cerberus Application Manager, CAM, provides a concise overview of the entire Cerberus PRO detector portfolio. The interactive app helps you to find the right detector for a specific application area, and it also provides information on parameter sets and further marketing material. It is available as a Windows application or as an app for Android and iOS devices. The Cerberus PRO Quantities tool has been designed to help you plan the control panel and CNET loop or stub. It checks your planned device requirements and CNET quantities and tells you straight away whether your planned configuration is valid or not. First, let's take a look at the configuration of the control panel. Select the type of control panel you want to use. Select the correct variant of the desired control panel. Check all the yellow fields in the Cerberus PRO Quantities tool and fill in any relevant information if necessary. Scroll down and add the number of operation add-ons, pieces of network equipment, and communication add-ons. Scroll down to the bottom and add any power consumer that may be connected. Finally, add the required standby time and the required alarm time after standby. The required battery size will also be shown. If the chosen battery is less than the required battery size, you can change the battery by clicking on the Choose Battery button. Once you have entered all the required information, check the result. Now let's take a look at the CNET calculation. To calculate everything correctly on the panel, it is essential to add the correct quantities. Here's a sample configuration to show you how it works. First, we enter 30 OP720s, then 10 HI720s, and 40 OH720s. Next, we open the alarm device's sound and voice column and add 5 FDS 225-226s with a high sound level. Finally, we add 3 loop-powered floor repeater terminals. To complete the calculation, we have to enter the length of the loop in the cable characteristics. Now check the CNET configuration that has been entered. Scroll down to the bottom and press the button to recalculate. You will see that the results is incorrect, so we have to look at the CNET configuration to see if we can make any adjustments. In this instance, we have inserted too many floor repeater terminals and overloaded the loop, so the number of floor repeater terminals needs to be reduced from 3 to 2. Now you can see that the configuration is correct. If we use this planned loop, the CNET loop on our control panel will work correctly. As a final step, go back to the control panel page and press the button to recalculate. As you can see, the configuration is still incorrect because the required batteries do not fit in the selected station. The station type would need to be changed to a FC722ZA, which has a comfort housing, in order to have enough space for the required battery size. As you can see, it is vital that you plan your configuration properly using the Quantities tool so you are 100% sure that your planned configuration will work. The line tester is designed to move the CNET from the installation phase to the commissioning phase quickly and easily. The test set is used to check the wiring on the CNET before it is connected to the fire control panel. The line tester can be operated as a standalone application or connected to a PC for more complex applications. Let's start with the standalone application. The line tester reads the line topology with all connected CNET devices at the touch of a button. You can see the installation sequence and device designation on the display, starting with the first 3 devices on connector A. It shows you which devices are on the loop and which are installed on a stub using additional symbols on the display. The next 3 devices can be displayed using the up and down keys. Letter B indicates the other end of the loop. All 7 devices can be seen in this example, and the installation is correct. The line tester also provides assistance for rapid troubleshooting. If the line is broken between detectors 6 and 7, for example, the line tester will display an error. By activating the right internal alarm indicator, you can easily locate the open line. The line tester makes finding faults easy and efficient. As well as being used as a standalone application, the line tester can also be connected to a PC. If there are a lot of CNET devices, they can be operated much more easily and displayed more clearly using the software. The line tester is exclusively controlled by the PC, and the connection is established using a standard USB cable. The line tester tool reads the topology in a single mouse click so that you can view all connected devices in a clearly arranged structure. The software lets you access and control the CNET devices directly. When you have finished viewing the devices, you can either save the topology to log their actual status, or you can import it later into the Cerberus engineering tool. If the loop is already connected to the station, it is also possible to use the PC line tester tool via the station directly, which means you no longer need a line tester. Once you have established an Ethernet connection, the PC tool offers all functions. The Cerberus engineering tool is a software tool for commissioning, diagnostics, and maintenance. Engineers can use it to program the Cerberus PRO fire protection system and to run various diagnostics. The software tool is clearly laid out in different views, giving the user direct access to the information they require. The following test equipment is available for CNET point-type detectors. The detector exchanger is used to insert and remove point detectors. The point detector can be held in 4 rotational positions. Additionally, the detector exchanger features a vacuum cup so it can easily remove the detector dust caps. The RE6 detector tester is used to set off the alarm on smoke point detectors. The RE7T detector tester is used to set off the alarm on heat point type detectors. The detector tester is battery powered. The RE8 detector test kits are used to set off the alarm on point type detectors. The detector testers are battery powered and use replaceable cartridges for smoke and carbon monoxide. Cerberus Mobile is an Android app for your smartphone. It connects via WLAN or UMTS and works in one of 2 modes, either View and Operation or View Only. To access it securely, you must register your smartphone on the station. You also need an S3 license key for the station. It is possible to connect more than one smartphone to a station. You can operate the panel at all times, even if Cerberus Mobile is connected. If the smartphone is connected to the station via an untrustworthy network, you will need a firewall as zone boundary protection to protect the C-Web from unauthorized access. For further information, please read the FS 720 Network Security Guidelines. Cerberus Remote is a software program for your PC. It is connected to the Ethernet and works in one of two modes, either view and operation or view only. For secure access, the panel needs to be authorized before a connection can be made. If you connect the station to the PC, the Cerberus Remote software disables operation via the panel. You can authorize access via Cerberus Remote with an S1 license key or higher. If the Cerberus Remote PC is connected via an untrustworthy network, you will need a firewall as zone boundary protection to protect the C-Web from unauthorized access. For further information, please read the FS 720 Network Security Guidelines. In the next chapter, you will learn more about the topic All Steps from Offering to Maintenance.